Hey everyone, it's Dave from Train Day, and today we're going to do some workplace violence prevention training. And we found this good blog post from Fisher Phillips. So it states that New York State employers with more than 10 people will have to have some type of workplace violence prevention training March 4th, 2005, right? So there's a new policy that's going into place this year, and we're going to help you get started with that. So we're actually going to use this blog post to create our training. So we're going to use the Train Day Chrome extension. We're going to go over to custom, and let's just say, let's start out with workplace violence prevention, right? Whoop. And if you want to customize it a little more, you could put your store in here, right? Just make it a little more personalized. So let's say add Bob's Hardware, right? We'll say next, and we're going to use all this data from this blog post. It's actually a really good blog post. So we're going to use this data. Now let's pick a template. We'll just go ahead and pick this one, and we'll get our samples back with our presenters. That should be somewhere in retail probably, and we'll select one, and that should get us pretty much far, 3/4 of the percentage of our desired outcome, right? So a really good start to meeting our requirements for this workplace violence prevention training course that we're going to implement. Let all our learners get enrolled in it and track all their retention with some quizzes. Okay, so we got some law enforcement people here. That's even better. So let's just click on this one and we'll get started with that. So now it's creating the slides. It's going to create the interactive quiz, and then we're going to customize it a little bit more. Probably going to change the presenter. You could change it to, fit something more to your actual retail location, so that it's more personalized and it's more relevant to what you're doing at your store. So now let's go over to Train Day and let's see what we got. So I'm going to go to projects, and here we go. All right. Just going to rename this really quick. I'll just take this out of here. Let's give it that. And let's just edit this just a little bit. So I'm just going to take this text down on the font. Here we go. That actually looks pretty good. I'm actually going to change it to this one. And I'm just going to bring this presenter up a little more. And we'll just get like a retail person. Let's try and find somebody. We'll just pick this person right here, right? And I'm actually going to apply this to all slides. And now this should look pretty uniform. There we go. So you can also check your video scripts, and we got our quiz right here, multiple choice. Okay, this looks pretty good. So this looks pretty good right here. So what we'll do is add our learners, right? Right here. We'll click save. And we can go ahead and start to generate our slides. So I'll generate this first one. That'll take about 5-10 minutes. Then also, you could translate these 30 different languages. So let's just see if I took this one, and let's just translate this one just for the sake of the demo. Let's translate to the Spanish. And you see the slide changes, the video script changes, and now this specific slide is in Spanish, right? And you even get a different little flag right here. And then of course, you can switch them around if you need to. So that's done. Our course looks fine. Our quiz looks fine. You can create more quizzes if you want to, but you really don't need to. When that's all done, you can always track all of your learners' progress in the LMS and download their certificate and see their quiz score and their progress. So keep track of how everybody is taking the course and learning, right? So thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you build with Train Day and do your workplace violence prevention by March 4th, 2025. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.